merchant. So one of the frequently asked questions I do get in my DM is startup capital. These questions are usually from beginners who want to become a merchant. And this set of people, they have a capital range, which is $100 to $200. Like, how do you intend to make the desired profit you want with $100 capital? Azal now. Azal now. But I'm going to be showing you a trick how you can scale on $100 capital with the right consistency, though, after I have showed you what it will be like trading with $100, what you'll be expecting. All right, so let's dive into the video now. $100 to $200 merchants, people gather here. You have the $100. I don't know if you can see. You have the $100. Let's say price is not buying at you buy at 1,370 to 1,380. This is your buy price. So sell price will be between, I'm using current market price, so dealing with real market price analysis. So we're going to be selling at 1,388 to 1,390. Now let's work with one price. Let's work with 1,370. Let's work with the smallest. $100 times 1,370. We'll be getting 137,000 in naira. Right? Let's use the lowest amount here. So $100 times 1,388. We'll be getting 138,800 naira. Your profit will be like this. The profit will be 1,800 naira. This is your profit for one trade. But it's not always like this. Do you understand? I'll tell you why it is not always like this. Okay? Now, if you're buying, setting your ads to buy, you'll be having a range. Because you have a lot of competitors in the market and you're buying with $100, which is not even up to what good percentage of merchants are using to trade, you want to start from 5,000 naira, 5,000 to 50,000. This will be your buying range. Now, if you're going to be trading like this with $100, you might not really be making up to these profits. Why? Because for every transfer you make in your bank, they will charge you 10 naira. 10 naira. Let's say you want to send 5,000 like 20 times. Let's calculate this thing. 137,000, that is your naira capital. Divide by 5,000. That is $100, which is equivalent to 137,000. So 137,000 divide by 5,000 naira. You'll be doing 27 times of transfer when buying. Now calculate that 10 naira per transaction. I'm not even adding stamp now. That 10 naira per times 27 times Let's target transfer fee. TF, that's transfer fee, equals to 10 naira times the number of times you'll be sending, 27 times 270 naira for just transfer fees. Now that is if you'll be doing 5,000. But as a coach that I am, I've come with a nice solution for you guys, so you can be getting your or almost 1,800 naira in profit, or you'll not be spending close to this amount. Now this is just transfer fee. I've not talked about what do they call it again, stamp duty fee. I'll not talk about this one, so they'll be collecting 15 naira. Let's not go there. But with this one, you'll not be making up to your exact profit. Now this is the strategy I have come up with for you beginners merchants with $100 to $200 capital. Since we don't want to be doing 27 times of transfer, that will be costing us 270 naira. We don't want this. I've come up with a plan. Instead of setting your buy range between 5,000 naira to 50,000 naira, instead of doing this, cancel it and set your buying price between 50,000 to 137,000. Does this make sense? So you'll not be doing small transfer. You'll be doing this transfer, 50,000. Either a client will come and pick these ones, or you get this one to be picked like twice or 3 times. Is it up to 3 times? I don't know. Instead of getting 27 orders, 5,000, and some of them, let me warn you, is this kind of people, all these people doing small transaction that will be holding your assets. You will pay them and they will go and sleep. Some they will just, I don't know, carry themselves and disappear until you open appeal. And appeal is not that reliable, because they might take 24 hours to release your assets. So some of your assets will be hanging and you'll not be having up to the 137,000 capital. Where is it? You'll not be having this amount to be trading with. You might be having less. Maybe out of this 5,000 now, like 4 people hold 5k. That's 20,000 and you will now be working with 107,000 naira, which might not give you your profit of 1,800 naira. Do you see? So, but if you work with this range, these are people that have money. Most times, you still see the category that don't have sense, that behaves like these 5,000 naira people. They will come and hold 50k once. But don't panic. There are good days more than the bad days. Business, no, they get only up. You have the good days and the bad days. But this works more. So with this range of your buying price, and mind you, this is how you'll be selling too. So when you buy like this, you also sell like this, 50,000 to 137,000. So you'll be getting your profit or close to it correct, and you'll not be meeting nonsense customers. So with this format, you'll be able to achieve, let's say you carry out this transaction 10 times. 10 times, because it's not a one-time thing. Let's do 1,800 times 10 times. You'll be getting 18,000 naira profit on a daily basis. DB on a daily basis. This is mad profit. Now I said just 10 times, so that is if you are lazy. If you're not, like my early days when I started, I can work 7 a.m. to I've even worked to 3 a.m. Or let's say I sleep early, it's 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. So let's just say 12 a.m. This was the time I used to work for one logistics company that almost took my life. So this time now, I carried it into P2P. That would be more than 10 times trading. You'll be getting more than this amount every day with your $100 capital. 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. But if you are a soft guy or soft girl, you don't want to be doing 7 a.m. to 12, you know, like money. Can be doing your 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., 7 a.m. to 1 p.m., 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. to 4 p.m. But whatever you do, just make sure you transact a minimum of 10 times and you'll be getting 18,000 naira daily. Let's say you now work. This is me now trying to increase your longer truth, because you people, humans, not even just Nigerians, humans are greedy. So let me increase your greed very well. Now this 18,000, me, I work Monday to Sundays. Oh, then I no great for that P2P market. I work Mondays to Sundays. Now let's say you don't like money. This 18,000 times 5 times a week. This would be giving you 90,000 naira every week. This is more than the average Nigerian salary. Wetin be the approved amount sef wey federal government? It's not 70k. Average Nigerian salary is not up to this thing, and you'll be paying fare on a daily basis. You'll be buying lunch on top money wey no reach, something like this. So if you want to work with me, you want me to mentor you, I have a mentorship course. It's on my bio. Just click on the link. It will take you straight to how you'll be making payments to work with me. I'll be mentoring you for 4 weeks. 4 weeks. It's a 1-month mentorship thing, and the price is on a discounted price. Oh, and me, I don't like money like una. We no one do P2P. I hope with this now I'm able to give you small. This is a small spiel like this that you can work with your $100. Now, if you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Share it. Somebody in your FYP, your contacts, might be needing this thing. Don't be stingy. People need money. You might be helping somebody you don't know. Okay, so like this video, comment your thoughts. I'm here to answer your questions. Don't forget to click on the plus sign button to follow me if you have not followed me, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.